Alright, next one here. X minus 4 over 5x minus 12 over the quantity 5 multiplied by x minus 4. Okay? Starting to be a little trickier now. What do you think is going to have to be our least common denominator? And think of it as a product. Something times something times something times something times something. Or whatever. What do you think our least common denominator is going to be?
Wouldn't it be 5x minus 1?
Don't distribute anything.
Oh.
Don't distribute. Just think of it. What times what times what times what? What would our least common denominator be?
X squared is 4.
5. Because the x minus 4 would cancel, right?
No. This is you cannot cancel that.
Okay.
This is not multiplication,
Okay.
right?
Yeah, it's not.
We all did. Well, this denominator has a 5x in it. Okay? This denominator has a 5 and an x minus 4 in it. So what common denominator could we essentially make all the denominators become? Don't they? We need to have an x minus 4 in it, don't we? I mean, this one has an x minus 4, so they're all going to need an x minus 4. So that's going to be part of it. But what else is going to have to be part of our least common denominator? Okay, so but that's got to be part of it. 5.
2.
5x. 5x times x minus 4. That will be our least common denominator. Because they both have 5's in it, so obviously 5 is going to be part of our least common denominator. This has an x, this doesn't, so it's going to need an x. This has an x minus 4, that doesn't, so they're both going to need. This is what you could make both denominators become by multiplying.
So then for for all these problems, could you just take the bottom times the other bottom? The one denominator?
Yeah, but you wouldn't have to take the 5 times the 5 though, right?
Right.
They both got a 5, so I mean that's just, they already have that. So 5x times x minus 4 is our least common denominator. So this, it has the 5x part, so what are we going to have to multiply this fraction by?
X minus 4.
X minus 4 over x minus 4. What are we going to have to multiply this fraction by? X over x. It's got the 5, it's got the x minus 4, but it still needs the x. So times x over x. So here, x minus 4 times x minus 4 is how much? Do a quick FOIL, you're smart enough. X squared minus 4x minus 4x plus 16, so that makes how much? Good. X squared minus 8x plus 16 over 5x, x minus 4, minus, what do we got here?
12x.
12x over 5x, x minus 4. Now can we subtract? So this will be easy. Just take this minus 12x. Well, so that just make minus 20x, right? Okay? So I get x squared minus 20x plus 16 all over 5x, x minus 4. I don't think that's factorable on the top, so there's not much you can do there. Okay? Please pay attention. Okay? guys have this down. You got that? Another tough one. Okay. Yeah.
Would we, I don't know.
What's that? For our what?
Like the lead common denominator would be x squared minus 4. Can you take x plus 2?
Yeah. Isn't x squared minus 4 is factorable? It's x plus 2, x minus 2. Really? Right?
Yeah.
X squared minus 4 could be written x plus 2, x minus 2. So now, seeing that, what is going to be our least common denominator? X plus 2, x minus 2, right? Let's leave them as factors, okay? This is going to be our least common denominator. X plus 2, x minus 2. So that's awesome because this fraction already has our least common denominator. We're not going to have to do anything. This fraction, what do we need to do to this fraction yet? Multiply it by x plus 2. Okay?
Why not x minus 2?
It's already got it. Right? To get, I mean, if it's already got that part of it, why multiply it by it again? Okay? So I got x plus 4 over x plus 2, x minus 2. Minus, this would be what? 15x plus 30 over x plus 2, x minus 2.
Negative 14x.
Negative 14x
Minus 26.
minus 26 over x plus 2, x minus 2. And that's going to be fine, but this is factorable up here. I always like factoring just to make sure nothing could simplify. 7x minus 13. So, being that nothing canceled, this would have been okay to leave your answer. But if something would potentially cancel, you might want to always make sure. I like writing everything in factored form, because then you know for sure you can't simplify it any further. Okay?